If your Framer site is not updating, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, especially when you've just made changes and the live site still looks the same. The good news is that in most cases, it's something simple like needing to republish, refreshing the cache, or checking the correct domain. So if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Framer fixes and website tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Framer. Make sure you're inside the correct project and not looking at an older draft or duplicate workspace. Once your project is open, look for the Publish button and click it again. Even if you already published before, republishing forces Framer to push your latest changes to the live site. This is one of the most important steps because sometimes the update is there in the editor, but the live version just hasn't been refreshed yet. After publishing, go to your live website and perform a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and R together. On Mac, use Command, Shift, and this reloads the page without relying on the old cached version stored in your browser. A normal refresh often isn't enough, so the hard refresh is the better option when Framer appears not to be updating. If the site still looks unchanged, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Old cache files can make it seem like nothing has changed, even when your updates are already live. Open your browser settings, find the Clear Browsing Data option, and remove cached images and files. If needed, clear cookies too, C to 2, then reopen the site and check again. This can instantly solve the problem in many cases. Now make sure you're actually viewing the correct domain or subdomain. Sometimes the changes were published correctly, but you're checking an old URL, a preview link, or a different connected domain. Double check the address bar and confirm that the live site matches the project you updated in Framer. If you have multiple domains connected, this step is especially important. If it still hasn't updated, wait a few minutes. Framer changes can sometimes take a short time to propagate, especially right after publishing. In some cases, the update is already on the way, but your browser or the live environment just needs a little time to catch up. So give it a few minutes, then refresh again and check the site one more time. Another thing to check is whether there are any errors in the Framer editor that are preventing the publish from completing properly. Look for warnings, broken elements, or issues in the page that may stop changes from going live. If Framer shows a problem during publishing, fix that error first, then publish again. A small editor issue can sometimes prevent the latest version from being deployed correctly. So, to quickly recap, open your project, publish again, hard refresh the live site, clear your cache and cookies, check the correct domain, wait a few minutes if needed, and verify there are no editor errors blocking the publish. Following these steps usually fixes Framer not updating very fast. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Framer tutorials, website fixes, and simple step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.